Alright guys, we are live. Give me 1 second, I need to post everything. I'm a little bit late today, sorry guys about this. I'm a little bit late. Man, I need to get back into my rhythm. Let me post the stream. 1 second. There we go. Alright, there we go. Guys, what is the market doing? I'm not even looking. Oh, we are pumping, nice. I am in a long, by the way. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm so stressed. I was out with my dog quickly before the stream. Let me also fix the chat. There we go. Welcome to Earth is here and Norwin is also here. There we go. Welcome back, guys. I am in my last long maybe for today, but I'm gonna hold this here. We're gonna hold this for a long time. I'm gonna hold this either to stop loss or not. Yeah, we'll see. So I am in a long. Wow, what a nice pump. We are already 1 hour. I'm gonna show you the trade now. Chat, I'm gonna show you the trade, but wait. I need to quickly also post the stream on X. I actually need to quickly post it. Man, I haven't streamed for 2 days. On Friday I didn't stream and on Monday, guys, but we are back now. We are back to grinding together. Is my mic working fine, by the way? How does my voice sound? Alright, and the music. Where's my post? Live again now. There we go. I'm just gonna copy paste that. Who cares? I hope you're pumping, guys. I cannot even check the chart out right now because I'm on X right now, but I think we're pumping. Yes, we are. Man, what a trade. Chat, I need to show you the trade quickly. Give me 1 second to post this. 5 viewers. There are some people in the chat. You are in a short. What? You're counter trading me again, man. Earth is actually counter trading me. There we go. I posted it, guys. So we are pumping right now. I'm actually 1 hour up already on this trade. Let me show you another trade. I'm gonna go to trading view. So I am in this trade. I already longed this before, closed it here, chat. And now I am in this long here again from this level. I was waiting for this. This was actually an order flow level. And I decided to risk 1 more long here. And in case you go lower, I have 1 more long placed here. But it looks, so far the reaction looks really nice. So this is my stop loss here, 6744.75. We're gonna hold this up to here. So guys, if we actually go up here, we can make 7k. We can actually make 7k if we go up here. So I am gonna hold this today. I actually just gonna hold on to this trade. But if we hit take profit, guys, we have a really juicy day. So yeah, I hope we're gonna go higher. We need to reclaim this VWAP. So we had the 618 fib here. We had also, let me show you quickly the confluence for this trade. We also had this session time point of control here. Wait, can you see it? Yes, you can. This one, so wait, 2 confluences and a 1 hour open on trading view as well. Alright, let me relax now, chat. This is so frustrating to always set up the stream and everything. Yo, we have C Trader in the chat. Let me make this brighter. I cannot see anything. Thank you for the sub. Someone just subbed. Wow, 200 market sales. Someone just actually subbed. Thank you for the subscription. Wait, let me see who subbed. Mike C is subbed. Thank you, Mike, for the sub. So we are gonna hold this, chat. We are just gonna hold on to this trade. Yeah, it's either gonna be stop loss or take profit. I mean, I think we can go lower, but we can also go higher. And I think if we actually reclaim this daily VWAP, we can see a bigger pump. This is what I'm actually hoping for with my long idea here. Probably gonna go to entry again, though. I don't know, we'll see. We are on 5 minutes, by the way. This is the 5 minute order flow. Let me see if everything looks clean on the stream. There we go. I'm gonna remove the fib here. Alright, we are set up, chat. We are set up. What a stressful week for trading though, chat. Really, this week has been kinda a lot of action because of the war. So we had a lot of action here. Looks like we're gonna go to the entry again, maybe. Entries at 6764. Wow, what a massive amount of sells. It's crazy. Like this week has been really crazy volatile. I mean, you can also hit stop loss on this trade, chat, don't get me wrong, but if you hit stop loss, I'm just gonna wait for the one more long from lower. I'm not gonna risk any more long. This is the only setup here I wanna long right now that we have open, so ich den Doxy nicht schlecht im Fall. I got wrecked this week, but honestly, chat, I also had some recovery trades that kind of saved me. Well, not saved me, but I mean, I also had stop losses this week, and I wasn't able to. So we had one stop loss today and one win. And yesterday I couldn't trade. Sadly, yesterday we would have had an insane long, and I couldn't trade it because of my trader weight issue, which has been fixed today. So I couldn't trade yesterday. This was also why. It's also why I didn't stream yesterday. There's no point in streaming if I cannot trade myself. We are at the entry. What a dump, chat. I mean, what an insane dump again. Don't like to see this actually. Doesn't look too good here. Where's our stop loss? Let me see again. It's at 6744. We are break even now. Doesn't look good really. Doesn't really look good. We just have to reclaim this VWAP. This is so important. This lower, and let's see the push. Yeah, crazy week to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. I also don't want to short here. Obviously, I didn't want to short here. It's too low for me to short. Too risky. We are a little bit in the loss right now, chat. Massive amount of sells. It's crazy. We need to see new buyers here. And the CVD is also really strange today. I mean, we had some really good. This bullish CVD print was insane. Look at this one here. We had a bullish CVD print at these lows and then saw this massive push right to the VWAP, exactly to the VWAP. What are these buys here now? What is going on today, chat? This is gonna be an interesting trade. I mean, this is gonna be really... Might be a quick stop loss if it keeps going down like this. I don't know. But I'm gonna hold this, chat. I'm gonna hold onto this. Doesn't look good though. Really massive amount of sells. Maybe some news came out. Just gonna hold this. 6743 is the stop loss. But this doesn't look so good right now, actually. It doesn't look good. And what I don't like to see, we have a lot of sells, but the CVD is not really going down. This actually I don't really like to see. But it is fine, chat, if you lose this trade. It is fine. I'm gonna wait for one more long. I'm gonna wait. If we lose this trade, I'm gonna look for one more long at 6-7. What is it? 6-7-20-50. So 6-7-20-50 would be my next long if we lose this one. And that would be the last trade of the day, obviously. Market structure, messy day. Yes, such a strange week so far, actually. Really strange. Still going lower here. Doch, kannst du mir den extra template bitte schicken? I get a lot of people that ask me this, but I'm not gonna send this away because I spent so much time creating this, and I don't wanna like give away the exact same thing. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna give this away, but you can obviously watch my streams, and I try to give out all the levels for free on my Discord. So yeah. But maybe one day I'm gonna make a template for you guys that I'm gonna give away. But I kind of don't want to share this, like, because it took me months to create this. It's actually crazy. But I'm gonna give you all the levels, obviously, and you can also watch the stream. Nice pullback here, chat. Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we trap these shorts, please? And finally reclaim this VWAP. This is what I want to see. If we reclaim this, guys, then we are safe. Then we are safe in the long. Until we reclaim this, it's kind of can go both ways. We can still hit stop loss. So a lot of new buys here though, but I don't like that on this candle the CVD didn't drop that much. This is what I don't like so much. But it's good that we're seeing new buyers, obviously, and we are in profit again. What a strange market, chat. This week is insane. So we are at break even again. We are actually at break even again here. I don't know, the cells don't want to stop. This is kind of crazy. Checken schon. Ja, wegen dem, ich schaue aber mal, dass ich ein Template mache, wo ich wahrscheinlich auch for free an die Leute gebe. I'm gonna work on a template that I'm gonna give away for free, most likely, but it's gonna take some time. Gosh, we are still dumping, like what is this? Yeah, this week is probably gonna be really strange to trade because of all the news related to dumps and pumps. Like, this week is gonna be a news-based trading week, I think. Which I don't really like. I like when it's pure price action. The levels are much more respected then. But we're gonna trade it. We're gonna trade it. For now, the week is fine. I mean, this, yeah, we can still recover this one, I think, with the if we go to the next entry. But I'm still in the trade. I'm just gonna hold this. Just gonna chill in this trade. There's no reason to close here. It's so volatile, like this volume as well. Didn't kind of expect this. Short scalp. Someone is in a short. Someone was in a short actually. Who was in a short? Someone already made some money, I think. No, I'm not gonna short here, Norwin. I'm definitely not gonna short here. Like now you're shorting at the lows. This is kind of risky. But you can do whatever you want. I'm not gonna short here though. You can obviously short if you want. We can go to 6,720. Which is my next buy, but I don't want to short here. Guys, we're kind of getting closer to my stop loss here. We are kind of getting closer to it. The trade already hit 1 hour. I think maybe I should have closed it, I don't know. But it was a good entry. It still is a decent entry, I think. We're at the previous month low again. We hit this actually once before here. Look at this. This was actually the low before once. Oops, now I pulled the chat somewhere. We are dumping, chat, we are dumping. And this might be a stop loss now. It's getting really close. It's getting really close, chat. Might be a stop loss. So if we lose this, chat, I'm gonna leave my one trade open at 6,720. And this is another long that I want to take. This is the last long I'm gonna take personally and risk that. Why are you looking for longs? Because we are really oversold actually. If you look at, yes, we are in a downtrend, but on high time frame we're still in an uptrend. Same like yesterday. Yesterday actually there was an insane long as well, but I wasn't able to trade it. Even though we are in a downtrend, you can find really nice longs. And long is for me less risky because we are in a high time frame uptrend still. We are still in a high time frame uptrend. But obviously if we would have gone way higher, would have closed my long, then maybe looked for a short, but yeah, it doesn't look like it. This is gonna get stopped out most likely now. Yep, stop loss hit. I think you heard it even. So we are out of this chat. I have one more. I'm gonna show you. Oh, I need to reopen this now. 6,718. Oh, 6,720. Yeah, and this one I'm also gonna hold. I'm gonna show you the trade. 1 second. Let me go over to TradingView. Stop loss hit sadly on this one. Kind of sad. It is what it is, chat. Cannot change it. It was not a bad trade. 6,720.50, and I'm gonna place the stop loss at 6,700. Yeah, this is gonna be the last long for today. This actually, I could have closed this at 1 hour here, chat. I could have actually, wait, do you see my trading view? I could have actually closed this here, but yeah, I thought we would go higher. Now we are pumping, come on, this is no way. There's just no way that we just got stopped out of the tick. I'm gonna hold this here though. I'm gonna leave this here running. This is my last long for today, really. Let me go back to extra charts. But we are out of the long. But as you can see, we have seen a lot of buyers here, but the price dumped. So there looks like there are limit orders. We've seen a lot of buyers here. I just hope it's not one of these where we get stopped out and then we go into our direction. That would be kind of unlucky. I do hope that we can go lower now for one more trade. 6736. So I'm looking for this level, chat. This is the last long that I want to take. I actually shared this a long time ago. We didn't just hit this level yet. Where is it? So this is also the level we are at right now. Also why I looked for a long here. And you can see here the daily TP. So I am waiting for this level, 671850. This is the level I want to see hit. From this session here. Yeah, I'm gonna long here. We have another level here with this session point of control. And we have at 6719 another session point of control. And what else? I think a weekly. Was it a weekly? Oh, I need to reload this. It's bugged out the last 4 years. Oh, let's do 5 years. Let me quickly reload this. Oh, come on, chat. Don't tell me you're gonna go up now. But I think we can go to this entry today. I do still think we can maybe go to this entry because this is still looking not too bullish. You see a lot of new buys and the price is going lower. I took longs for around, look for longs around 6736 or so. I took one MES short at 6765, 6752 target. Stop was at 6722. As at 6772. Strange. What a strange day again. I mean, yesterday was actually not strange. Yesterday was really easy to trade. Today seems a little bit more difficult. But good thing I closed my longs from before where we hit 2 hour. So I'm gonna look for one more trade here today. We're gonna look for one more. But I hope we can actually go to this entry. And this would have been a nice, the nicest short of the day, by the way, would have been up at the daily VWAP retest. Because this was hit to the dollar here twice. So this would have been a really, really nice one. I cannot believe that we actually got so closely stopped out of this one. Strange. What a close stop loss, but I think we are gonna go lower. What did you write? I'm also looking for longs on, yeah, 6720 is a really good long level, so I'm gonna take this trade today if we go there. Let me see if I have it placed. 6720.50 and the stop loss at 6700. And I'm actually gonna hold this to 6791. So I'm gonna play. I have this trade placed, chat, just so you know. I have this actually placed in the background. But I want to leave the order flow running here. We got me on stream, bro. Not bad. My stream is doing actually not bad, but I haven't streamed on Friday and also not on Monday because I couldn't trade yesterday. I want to see a bigger dump now, chat. Come on. Give us the last entry for a nice last trade. In the worst case, another stop loss. I mean, it's fine. If I lose the next trade, I'm still within my rule. So it's completely fine to lose the next trade. How do you determine your TP levels? Based on VWAP or some previous highs? Previous highs mainly, or VWAPs, yeah, or order flow levels. Well, it also depends on the structure, how long I want to hold my trades most of the time. Come on, chat, let's dump it to 6720. So we can get one more stream trade here. Yeah, I guess I should guess I should have closed this other trade at 1 hour. But the New York Open looked actually really good. The New York Open didn't look too bad. Yes, 2% down today, chat. 2% down. Let's dump it to our next entry, chat. Come on. Bleed a backup 25k account because I want to try some new things I'm building. I mean, that's fine. I mean, honestly, like these 25k accounts, they cost like $100 now. So it's fine to try out some things on them. It's still better than like trying it out of your own money, like putting down 2k or something or more, and then losing all. So I actually think prop firm accounts are really good for like learning and testing strategies. But maybe a little tip I can give you, Norwin, maybe try to risk less. Try to risk less contracts for each trade. If you're testing a new strategy, you shouldn't risk a lot then. But once you see that strategy is profitable, then you can increase the contracts. That's how I do it as well. But for me, it was also like this. I just decreased my contracts the more funding I got. We are dumping, chat. What is going on today? What a bloodbath. Nice, I like to see it though. Let's go to the next entry. 6720. Let me see if that I have the best entry here. Oops, it's the wrong one. But let me quickly see here on this template if you have anything further down. Yeah, that's 66 and 18 here. So I like to place it a bit higher because you're trading micro contracts. So at 6720.50 is my entry now for the next trade. Let's hope we can actually dump there, because I'm definitely going to take that trade, chat. You have quite a lot of confluence there. And that trade I'm also going to hold for how many RR? Let me see. Yeah, I want to see at least 3 RR on this trade actually. I can risk that. So if we actually hit the TP on the last trade, this is going to be still a really good day, by the way. So it all comes down to the last trade, really. So now we are close to break even for the day. So if I hit, we can still either lose 2k or we have a bullish CVD print, chat. Ooh, we have a bullish CVD print here. These are insanely respected. These are usually insanely respected, by the way. I'm not gonna rush into one right now though. But this, yeah. These prints are so respected. It's crazy. I mean, we're already pumping since it printed. I just hope we can go a little bit lower to the entry. But we have one bullish CVD print here. Let's hope it's wrong and we can go lower. The buys are going up. Look at this, chat. The buys are increasing, like, but we are going lower. Like, we had a lot of new buys here, but the price just did go lower. Let's see if it's gonna be right again. This bully. I'm not in a trade yet, chat. Because I basically traded this level before. I mean, this was my entry before. We got stopped out, sadly. We got stopped out right here. 6744. So I don't want to trade the same range again. Come on. Dump it. Break even at 6756. Missed my target by $2. Oh, that's crazy. That's a tilter. But trust me, today has been not a too easy day to trade. I'm happy I hit that 1-2 hour trade. Really strange candle. Yeah, what straight. I mean, look at this. We had so many new buys, but the price, you can see this here, the CV went up, that we had positive delta, so with more buyers than sellers. It looks like there's a massive limit sell order. Like, look at this, we cannot go higher. We cannot go higher. We have new buys. We have 1.4k positive delta. Here at 2.1k. Here at 1k positive delta. Here we had 2.1k. This was the negative one, but also barely negative. Really strange day. Oh, honestly, I'm just gonna wait for my next entry. I don't wanna like over risk today. We're just gonna chill, chat, wait for the last entry, and I'm definitely gonna go into that trade though. I mean, I have it placed, so once we go there, we're gonna fill. We're gonna get into it. Maybe this bullish CVD print, I mean, they are not always, like, I can show you some examples. For example, here was one, then we went a bit higher and dumped again, because we are still below the daily VWAP. Here we also had bad ones. This was overnight, though I didn't trade any of these. But they can be, for example, here, this was an insane one here. This one I even traded. 6805, we had bullish CVD prints, then we pumped. Here we had nice bearish ones as well, here at the highs. Nice bearish ones, yeah. So they are often right, not always. Obviously, imagine they would be always right, then we would all be rich. But they're really nice to look at as confluence. So once I go to one of my levels and I see one of those, I see a bullish CVD print, that's a really nice confirmation to enter the trade. Same with shorts. What a strange day. I guess we just gotta be patient, because it's only 4 PM chat. And we are getting closer to my entry actually, we're not that far away. If we see one bigger dump, we can actually fill the entry. And this is one of the weirdest candles ever, I mean. We are still going lower. Holy chat, we are dumping. This is why I'm being patient today. Like, it's not really, it's really risky to trade today because there's so much volatility, it's crazy. I like to see it though. Come on, chat, come on. 6,720 is what I'm waiting for. So down here, chat, I want to see this hit. And then we're gonna go into long. Come on though, we need to go lower. Well, let's see if this bullish CVD print is right. So far it has not been right, but this can still change. Wait, why can you see my trading view in the background? It looks super ugly. Let me fix that. There we go. I think this is better. Alright, this should be better, I think. Another bullish CVD print. Give us one more dump here, though. Really strange candle. Yeah, it's this day, chat, is really strange. A lot of these movements are also probably news-based. Another CVD print here. Come on, give us our entry though. How was your day today, chat? Really hard day to trade. 50 or sell here, so there are still some big players selling here. I don't know. I trust. Usually these CD prints are really... there could be a pullback here, but I still think we can go to my entry. Hopefully. What a day, chat. Good day. Earth had a good day. Nice. I mean, it depends all on the last trade, honestly. Now I'm kind of break even for the day, so yeah, it's been a boring day. Doji, you just know it's bad when you start recognizing candle patterns. Let's see, what do you think, chat? Is the bullish CVD gonna be right? Is the bullish CVD print gonna be right here? You're actually gonna pump a bit higher. Long 6746. Are you in a long right now? TP got edged. Man, what is this day? Can we please go to my entry? But I'm not sure if we're gonna go there. I don't, because usually after these CVD prints there is most of the time a little push higher. But obviously we are still below the daily VWAP. People is 950 milligram caffeine a lot or not? It is a hell a lot, I think. I took one like this gym caffeine, how do you call this? The powder that you can with caffeine in it. I took this like a few times. It's insanely strong. Like I cannot sleep anymore after this if I take this in the evening. So insane. Yeah, I don't take this at pre-workout. Yeah, exactly. I took this like 1 or 2 times or 3 times from a friend. It was insane. Like, I don't know how people take this every day. I took it around 7 p.m. and I think I was able to sleep at like 3 or 4 in the morning. Come on, chat. Let's dump. Let's dump to our entry. Nice. I like to see it. 950 Schwurefel. Yeah, 950 is insanely. It's an insane amount of caffeine. Wait, let me see how much this says. Does it say it on here? Water. I don't think it says it, does it? It should though, no? Yeah, I don't see it, chat. I don't see anything here. But this is probably like, I don't know, not a lot. Oh, there we go. Caffeine 69 milligrams. So this thing here has 69 milligram. So yours is more than 15 times. So 15 bottles of this. It's insane. Man, we are pumping. We are pumping. This is one of these days where you cannot be emotional. You're gonna blow the account if you're trade emotionally. So we just have to wait for the levels. I want to risk one more trade here. One more long. I just hope we can actually go there. But right now it looks like it's still. So many buyers and we're just not really going higher here. I drank 1 Monster White with 2 scoops of pre and 2 shots. What? I think you can actually die from that. 3 bullish CVD prints, chat. 3 bullish CVD prints. Are they kind of trolling us here, I think? They're baiting us to go into a long. Nice, we're going lower, chat. Come on. 6, 7, 20, 50 is what we need to hit. Oh, I want to quickly see this. The weekly negative point of control. Because now it loaded. Look at this, chat. This is why it's an insanely strong level. 6, 7, 20. Let me see. 6, 7, 20. I'm gonna actually place the trade at 6, 7, 22. 6, 7, 22. 22.50. Alright. Stop loss here. There we go. But this is a weekly negative point of control. I think we have to see a reaction from here. This is also why I would love to wait for this. And we have not only this, we also have an order flow level here. Time point of control at 6, 7, 18. And we have a session point of control, and we also have a 4-hour level lower. So we have like 4 confluences for this trade. Three bullish CVD prints. I don't feel anything. I think my body needs more. Go work out. What are you chatting? Do you mean me or the other guy? You mean Norvin? You think he worked out already? Guys, what is going on? I'm definitely gonna wait for my level though. I'm not gonna rush into one more trade here. Let's see if these CVD prints are gonna play out. Wow, there are some big buys here though. Let's see. I'm gonna be patient. The coffee man. What's going on here? 3 bullish CVD prints we had though. That's kind of crazy. Seem to work. Yeah, we'll see. I'm not gonna long this though, because as I said, I took a long here just before. Well, not here. This is my entry, 6762. We hit stop loss. I don't want to trade this similar range. It's too close to my last trade. Even if I'm gonna be honest, if I wouldn't have lost this last trade and would have had, and then I would have probably longed this here. But we are gonna wait for lower now for the safer entry, because I don't want to risk like take another trade at the same range. That makes no sense. Gaddafi man. Coffee man is what I said. But let's see, maybe they're gonna play out and then we miss the trade, then it is what it is. But I do still think we can go lower, because this seems like bearish absorption here actually, even though we had bullish CVD prints. Because we saw a lot of buyers and we went lower. We just need one of these quick dumps here, like this, fill our entry and then go up. And if we go only to the daily VWAP chat, we're gonna make a lot of money in that trade. So I'd rather wait for this entry. But yeah, let's see. Maybe they're gonna play out. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah, the market today is insane, chat. Like, the movements are so fast as well. On a normal day, the last trade I took probably would have hit take profit as well. I'm pretty sure this was a news-based dump. But yeah, obviously it is what it is. It's not that bad. We hit one nice trade before, so it's completely fine. But if we get into this last trade, I'm gonna hold this for a 2 to 3 RR at least. I want to see actually. I would like to see at least 3 R. Come on, give us one more juicy dump here. Just one more. One more nice dump to here and then a bullish CVD print. This is what I would love to see. I don't know, it seems like there are a massive amount of sell limit orders here. We cannot go higher. Like, even with 1.8k positive delta again here. We only had positive delta in the last wait, let me see. 2, 4, 6, 7 candles were positive delta and we didn't really go higher. And CVD is going higher, price is going lower. Daily VWAP is also always respected. It's kind of crazy. This would have been a really nice short here that I could have placed here after I closed my loss. Wow, wait, what's happening? Big bubbles, big sellers coming in again. But yeah, guys, I really don't actually care about news a lot. Like, I just trade my levels. Wow, nice chat. Big dump. What was this wick just now? Come on, go lower. Let us get into one more nice trade. How many sellers there are, it's so crazy. I mean, I get selling from higher, but like selling right here is so risky. I would never enter a sell here. Never ever. Like for all the people that enter a market sell here, it's crazy. I mean, this is a valid short here, shorting at the VWAP. This is completely a valid trade in a downtrend, but right here, I don't know. But let's see. Nice chat. We're getting closer to the entry. I hope we actually can fill it. So I have it at 6722, 6722.50. Stop us at 6701.50. And this is gonna be the last trade of the day for me, if we actually go there. But I told you, chat, we need to be patient today. It's absolutely a crazy market. This is really a dangerous market. Yeah, this is also why this is gonna be the last trade, I'm telling you, chat. We're gonna go to this, I'm gonna trade it. It's gonna be stop loss or take profit, and if we lose it, it's fine, but I'm gonna stop trading for the day. I'm not gonna risk any more trades here. Like, this is kind of insane right now what's happening. Far away from the daily VWAP again here. The bullish CVD prints kind of baited though. They kind of baited people into longs here. But if you look at the CVD and the price, you can actually see that it's bearish absorption. Because I don't know, it looks like a big crash might be coming, chat. I don't know. Because we have seen so many buyers, CVD is going up here. So yeah, this is actually, guys, we are dumping. What is going on today? Come on. I'm gonna trade this though. I'm definitely gonna take this trade. I'm risking 200 bucks in this trade, chat. But I don't know, the CVD looks so strange, I'm not gonna lie, because as you can see here, I'm gonna explain it once again. If you look at the price here, price went down. You can see this is the price, CVD went up, so we had a lot of market buyers, but we are just going lower. So I don't know, there seems to be a massive limit sell order, chat, that's absorbing all these buys here. Because this is kind of crazy. But I'm gonna trade this level, because it's a level that I would definitely trade. So I'm just gonna wait, we're gonna get in this. I can't promise you that this is gonna be TP, just so you know, chat. So you shouldn't trade just because I go into it. I have my risk and I always manage my risk. So even if I lose this trade, I'm fine for today. It's no big deal. But this is the last long. So if you lose this trade today, I'm done for the day for sure. This is the last trade I wanna, unless we win the trade. If I win this trade, then we can actually look for another trade. Then we can maybe look for a short from higher again. But it all depends on this last trade here. If it's lost, I'm gonna stop for the day, and if you win it, well, another bullish CVD print. I'm not gonna bait into this, chat. We're waiting for my level. I mean, what is going on here? See, this is also why I don't trade the same range. Like, you have to wait for the next real level, because this is how you blow accounts. If you lose a trade at this from a setup and enter right after again, this is how you actually blow the account. What is going on right now? This is such a crazy day though. And there's just so much volatility, it's insane. A lot of sellers still. Come on, chat, we're getting close. 6730, entries at 6722. You will hear once it's filled. You will hear a beep sound in the background. So you will actually hear once it's filled. We're getting really close, come on. Give it a little bit more of a dump. Nice, come on, chat, we can do it. But as I said, this trade is no guarantee. It's actually the CVD is kind of looking strange here. But I'm gonna take this, come on. Come on, chat, did we hit the weekly? Did we actually hit the weekly? Let me see. We almost hit it here. But not quite yet, I'm still waiting. We're almost getting close to it here. Not hit yet though. Let me quickly go back. Come on. Okay, we are at the weekly now, but I'm waiting for 672250. on, chat. Yeah, even the weekly wasn't quite hit yet. Dump it, come on, dump it. So we are the weekly now. We are the weekly now. I'm not in the trade yet, it's at 6722. I hope for one little leg down here. What a dump. Kind of crazy. Guys, this is gonna be interesting once we fill this. I'm not in yet. 6722, and this one is also not hit. Oh wait, it almost got hit though. Wait. Alright guys, it's filled, my trade. Let me see if it's filled everywhere. Yep, it's everywhere filled. Good luck everyone. This is the last trade. This is gonna be the last trade if we hit stop loss here. It's kind of risky though. Well, it's not risky, it's a good level. But the CVD is scaring me a bit here. So we are gonna see. So if we lose this, it is what it is, chat, then I'm gonna call it a day. These bullish CVD prints baited hard though. So I am in a long, chat. I'm in a long. The last long of the day. Unless we actually hit to take profit. Weekly is hit though. As you can see, weekly was hit to the dollar. Let me show you the other thing. What else was hit? Oh, this is the weekly. Oh, this is the daily as well. The daily was also hit here. Weekly was hit, chat. Like I was waiting for. Weekly was hit. You can see this here. So we hit all the levels. So we are just gonna wait and chill. We are just gonna wait, chat. Let's see. 500 up so far. Chat, imagine we sniped the low now. I would be so happy. Because that would be a banger trade. But yeah, this is what this. I'm gonna hold this. It's gonna be a stop loss or take profit. And yeah, you can manage it yourself. I don't care where you close it. Hey bro, still at work, but got the trade at 67270 to 6727. Yeah, we had to be really patient for this one, but it's no guarantee. Obviously, every trade is a risk. But I'm definitely gonna trade this. I mean, we have 4 confluences for this trade. There's no reason for me not to trade this. No reason at all. Nice reaction though, at least so far. Now we want these CVD prints to actually start playing out. But you can see the levels were hit really nicely here, chat. I'm gonna show it once more. You can see 6719 was hit to the exact dollar so far. Wait, let me see if this one was also hit. Session point of control. Yeah, this one was a little bit front run here. But might get hit now, we'll see. 6719 was not quite hit yet. But yeah, let's wait. I'm in the trade though, chat. I'm in the trade. You heard it beep as well. But this CVD curve is kind of scary. We need to really see buyers now. But we are far below the VWAP now. Still dumping, still going lower. Let's go. Yeah, I'm not sure, chat. This week is gonna be a weird week, I'm gonna tell you, because we have a lot of news this week. Like, not because of the war, it's really the price action is not as clean as usually. So this week might be a little bit more challenging to trade, but we just have to keep our risk management clean and then we are fine. This is what I can, and also, chat, if you wanna even risk less, reduce your amount of contracts for this week. There's gonna be a lot of pump and dumps probably this week. Like on Monday as well. On Monday we saw a big pump, which I missed though. Still going lower here. Is it one of these slow bleeding days? I mean, I don't know. I don't know, chat. Nobody knows. So what do you think, chat? Is it gonna be a stop loss or a take profit? We are in a long, yes, we are in a long. The last long though. Be careful though with long. You don't risk a lot of contracts, please. It's like really the price action. Also, the CVD so far is not that looking that great. But we have technical levels here, so I'm trading it. We have 4 technical levels. Well, 3 order flow levels, 1 technical. But as I said, I'm risking $200 here on this trade. Look more chim chat. I'm gonna check it out later. Let me focus on the trade right now quickly. Because it's kind of volatile right now. I mean, this is insane today, chat. What is going on again here? Like, look at these bubbles. Guys, today is insane, really. It's gonna be interesting to see my strategy throughout this week as well. With Discord, yeah, I'm gonna... okay, wait, let me quickly see. Pump form. Pump form looks good, man. I can't wait to go to the gym, but I hope we're gonna hit the take profit here. And it's not gonna be one of these slow dump days. Or maybe a quick stop loss where it just dump now even further from here. But let's wait, chat. We need to give it time here. I mean, come on, we can retest the VWAP and we would still be in a downtrend. So I just hope at least that we can go up to the VWAP. What are these bubbles here? We are kind of break even still on the trade, kind of break even right now. I don't know. Guys, are you in the long as well, or am I the only one in the long? Am I the only one in this long, chat? Let me know. I mean, can we see some green candles, chat? What is going on? Can we please get some green candles now? There's just new sellers and new sellers all the time. I don't know. Patience. We need patience. Batch, try this. It's crazy. Plus long. Yeah, let's see. I don't know. This is the last long, guys. If we lose this, I'm gonna call it a day. We're gonna be back tomorrow. Then it is what it is. It's a good long. It's oh, come on. Let's see some buyers here, chat. Come on. Give us some big green bubbles. I mean, what is this? There are new sellers all the time. It's so insane. There are new buyers stepping in, but right at this point, there are new sellers coming in. They are doing a great job, the bears, for sure. It would be so nice, chat, if we hit a nice take profit here on stream. But nobody can guarantee it. I mean, look at the RSI as well, chat. Look at the 4-hour RSI, by the way, and the 1 hour on ES. I mean, we are heavily oversold. If there is an upwards movement, it will be very quick, and this is what I'm actually hoping for with this trade. I want to see a quick, even if we go lower again, I don't care. We can go up to the daily VWAP here and go lower, because I'm probably going to close this here at the VWAP. Nice, chat. Nice. This is what we want to see, chat. Come on. Come on, we need more though. This is not enough. 60 bubble. Let's go. This is what I like to see so far. Ooh. Juicy buys. Nice, chat. Nice reaction, chat. I love to see it. Finally some buyers. Come on. Come on, chat. We got this. We got this. We gotta be patient. Actually, let me see where we close this. I'm kind of thinking where I should close this. We are almost 1 hour up, chat. We are almost 1 hour up, chat. We are actually almost 1 hour up. I'm gonna show it to you on TradingView. Come on, but I hope it's not one of these dumps now again. We need to sustain this. Look at this, chat, almost 1 hour up. Not a bad entry here. Stop loss still far away. Just wanted to quickly show you this. Now we go back to the order flow. Come on, chat. We need more. Break the structure. We need to. I mean, if we actually reclaim this, but I might. Let me see how much we make at 6.8. Yeah, no, I'm gonna go out at 6.790, chat. I'm gonna go out here 6.790. I don't want to hold this too long. This is more than enough. And this would be crazy if we go up here. But I also might close it a little bit sooner, depending. But now we are. I don't want to close it yet. I mean, guys, you can actually close it if you want. It's I don't know. This market is so strange today. It's a really strange market. Nice call, brother. Thank you, man. Yeah, I'm happy that we at least saw a good reaction so far. So you guys can close if you want and almost take 1 hour of gains. I'm gonna hold this a bit longer here, see where it goes. But we can still hit stop loss, chat. We're still bearish. Still bearish structure right now. Come on, though. Well, a nice little pump, though. Did you guys close it? Or are you gonna hold as well? I mean, 6.790 is not far away, but we need the bulls to start come in here. Come on. They are starting to slow. Starting to there are less and less buyers. That's what I wanted to say. Man, my English is so bad today. My English is absolutely bad. I noticed that I haven't streamed for a while. What do you think, chat? Are we gonna go higher? Is this the low? Or are we gonna make a new low? Still running like gump. Come on, these CVD prints haven't played out yet. If these actually play out, you have a really clean entry. I mean, the entry was still really clean. You have a really nice entry. We just need to hold this and go higher now. It's still really scary to we can make a new low as well. But obviously it's good to be in profit. Kinda drying out the buyers. Where are they when we need them? There is still 2.2k sells here. 2.1k sells, I mean. And 2k, 1.3k, there's still a lot of sellers here. Come on. Come on, chat. 3-bar reversal. Alan, are you still in? Are you still in the long? Or did you close already? Come on, give us some nice buys now. We were so patient for the trade as well, chat. I mean, we cannot be more patient than this. I mean, the RSI is insanely oversold. On 4 hour and 1 hour, both. And we hit the order flow levels, so yeah, it is a clean setup. So even if we lose it, we took a clean setup, you know what I mean? I'm still in, I'm also still in, Luis, but I don't know. I don't know, this week is gonna be really news-based. Anything can happen, honestly. There can be negative news coming out, now we're gonna hit stop loss, so yeah. But so far looks fine to hold, even though the CVD is scaring me. Not if you look at this like this. But it is good that it's raising because there are new buyers, but I don't know. This week is gonna be really weird. Yeah. But so far, I mean, look at this, chat. Look at this quickly. I mean, look at this. This is where we entered, so this is absolutely crazy how insane these levels are again. And this is why I waited for this, and it was the exact low. It was the absolute exact low, by the way. Chat, I'm telling you, order flow is overpowered. Like, it's kind of overpowered. Nice, we are pumping a bit. We are pumping a bit. I mean, I really want to hold this to the VWAP, because if we go here, chat, if we go here, that's actually a 4 RR trade. Wait, is it? No. Let me quickly see again. It is actually, we are at 1 R now, by the way. No, it is a 3.2 R trade, which would be really juicy. And yeah, I think it's a good entry still. I think it is a good entry. But I'm telling you guys, you should do whatever you want. And depending if you lost as well today, if you had losses before, I can maybe suggest you to close this earlier, just to recover the losses. Even at 1 hour, if you are in profit now again overall for today, you can close it. Because this already recovered the losses from the last trade right now. But I want to hold this. I don't know. I think we can pump now. And often there are like these pumps after 5 PM until the market closes. So I think we have a really nice entry here. But as I said, it's a week full of news, full of random war news, which we cannot predict. Nobody can predict that unless you have obviously some insider information or whatever, but we don't have that. All we have is our order flow, and yeah. So this week is gonna be really strange. So this is why I'm telling you, be careful with risk management and don't gamble, chat. And maybe take profits earlier. I should have also closed the other long at 1 hour and be done with it. It's nice to see some buyers here still though. But I don't know, we still didn't really go a lot higher. But what a nice entry you have though. I'm still long, looking for 6749 on the last one. But someone asked me in the chat when I started to stream, by the way, why I look for longs here. And as I said, it's really simple. On a high time frame, if you look at high time frame, go into the daily time frame on ES, we are still in uptrend. We are still, and if we see a massive correction like this, obviously I'm going to look for longs and I'm not going to look for shorts at the lows. I mean, I gave you the weekly naked point of control, by the way. Let me show you this as well. This is insane. This was the exact high, by the way, that we also traded. Sadly didn't take this here, but this was an insane short up here. And now this got retested to the dollars, so yeah. You're just gonna be patient here. But there's literally no reason for me to look for shorts after we already saw the correction. You know what I mean? Why would I ever look for shorts down here? This is like... So you have to answer that question, but it depends on your strategy, guys. If you have a different strategy, you don't have to trade like me. You can trade your own strategy. We are dumping. What is going on? Or there's some micro news coming out again. Not yet insider infos. Yeah, who knows? Maybe we're gonna get the connections. Imagine that. With that, my stream needs to get much bigger. What a Sniperino though so far, chat. What a sniper entry. And I called it nicely in advance for you guys to also enter it. Or not enter the same one, but if you also have a level there. Nice pump. I like to see it. I like to see it. Give me more green. Nice little trade though. I mean, 1 hour is already... I'm already happy with this trade. Because if we lose it now, it's also... Yeah. It's also gonna be part of the game, because the trade already worked out at 1 hour. I'm just willing to hold this for a higher reward, obviously. But if you guys want, you can close it. We are still at 1 hour here from the entry. And if you had a tighter stop loss, you are probably 2 or 3 hour up already, by the way. I had a really far stop loss at 600-700, so we are far away from my stop loss. So if you actually scalp traded this, guys, it was the exact low. So if you actually, chat, if you actually scalp traded this, you're probably up 3 hour already, because this was the exact low that we traded. I can show you again on TradingView, like we traded the exact low. Look at this. This is our entry here that I called. And we basically sniped the low. So If you actually had a smaller stop loss, you would not have gotten stopped out. I mean a tighter stop loss. Brother, that was a legendary entry. Yes, it was absolutely a sniper, man. I'd love to see it. I called this level, like, I think last week already, but it just didn't get hit. Sometimes it just takes time for these levels to get hit. Come on, chat, can we actually go higher? It's such a strange order flow, honestly. Where are you guys gonna close this giveaway? For the giveaway, it's really simple. I think we have a new viewer here. GHHS, you have to go into the Discord, in my free Discord, everything is free. Join the Discord on my YouTube, there's the link, or also here, wait, you can actually... Oh, it just got posted. Go into the Discord and go under giveaways. And I will post a new one soon. I'm waiting for FundedNext. What is this? That was strange. 60 green bubble and a lot of cells right after. I mean, we have a clean entry, chat. If you want, you can also put break even to entry, by the way. If you want to be safe. Sellers still stepping in here. They don't want to stop. They don't want to stop here. Crazy. There are still new people selling here. Gotta give it time. Trapped buyers. That's what that is. Noko is also new in the stream. We are in a long, so yeah, I hope it's not trapped buyers, but maybe. I mean, there's a ton of volatility coming in again. So Noko thinks these are trapped buyers. So are you in a short, Noko? Are you in a short, my friend? Exiting from early. Oh, nice. What was your entry? I see some new people in the stream, though. That's cool. Come on, chat. Let me look at the session profile quickly. This was hit to the door. This is our entry. So I hope, chat, I hope we can reclaim this. 6752. We need to reclaim this very low here. It's kind of important. And also need to go above 6747. But for this, we need more buyers. They try to buy 740s. Yeah, we are actually in from the low, so we are already hit 1 hour on the trade. I'm just being not greedy, but I want to risk holding it for longer. I think we can retest this daily. I'm gonna go out fully here. 6790, I'm out fully. So I hope we can actually go up there, but I don't know. The market is insanely strange today. You're also long. Oh, nice, nice. I thought you were in a short. That's why I asked. I thought maybe you're also in a short. Come on, chat. We need to see big buyers here now. And I feel much safer once we actually go above here. Above 6750. Then I will feel much safer on this trade. I would love to see one of these 5 p.m. slow pumps higher until 2 p.m. and 10 p.m. market close. They actually happen quite often. That there's like the price just often goes higher after like 5 to 6 p.m. until 10 p.m. and that's where I have to close anyways. Wow, big green bubble. I'm kind of hoping for this on this setup we have, that we just go higher and higher. And I'm gonna close here, so below the daily VWAP, so we are still, even though we would still be in downtrend. I mean, if this downtrend continues and we close it here, we are out, right? So this is why I want to actually hold it up to here. So I have my take profit at 6790 exactly. But I don't know. It's strange day today. We cannot see a big pump. Big green bubbles, we need them, chat. We need them right now. Well, I need them. Maybe you guys are already out of the trade. You guys probably already locked in some profits. I got scared, lol. Yeah, it is kind of scary holding this, I'm not gonna lie. It's also scary for me. Well, scary. In the worst case, I lose the trade, right? But I'm gonna hold this. There were so many, trust me, there were so many days in the past month where I could have just held the trade and I would have made a lot more, and I closed it at 2 hours most of the time. So I want to just hold this. I actually just want to hold this for once and see where it goes. Because often I just close them and it goes into the right direction afterwards until 10 p.m. But this week is different anyways because it's a lot of news-based price action. So a lot of these buyers and sellers are also because of news. So the order flow is not as respected. But I mean, we cannot complain, chat. I mean, this is the level we traded. Oh wait, it's the wrong one. This is the level we traded. And we had a sniper entry, so I cannot be mad. It was really respected here. Cannot be mad at all here. But it's nice that you guys locked it in. Some profits, that's fine. There's still so many sellers, it's absurd today. I do that every trade, that's fine. I mean, as long as, listen, on prop firms it makes sense to lock in profits earlier. And it also depends if you had a bad day, because if I had like bad trades before, I would also lock in the gains faster, you know what I mean? But if you can afford to hold it according to the risk management, then it's often a good choice to hold it because you can have a high reward as well. So it really depends. This is why I also always tell you guys it depends on your day and everything. So you should close it whenever you want to. I don't know, chat. I don't know, chat, about this trade. I mean, the order flow is strange. And out too. You're out. You guys are all out, really? Is anyone still holding? I mean, it's not a bad choice to lock in gains. It's a really strange week. It's gonna be a really strange week, and maybe not even a week, maybe even month, honestly. I think this month is gonna be really strange to trade. Hold the line, yes, I hope so. I actually hope so. I'm just patient here. Wicks at 27, I'm scared. If you're not going lower, yeah, I mean, this needs to hold, but I don't know, chat. We're going to the entry almost again. I don't know today. I'm just gonna give it time here. I mean, I have my stop loss set. I'm just gonna give it time. But obviously I wouldn't like to see stop loss hit, but if it's hit, then it's not too bad as well. I mean, it's completely fine. According to my risk management, it's completely fine if I even lose this trade. Not so angry that I went out. Yeah, you don't have to be mad about profits. Never be angry about profits, guys. You should always be happy after you locked in gains. I usually close at 2 to 3 hour in my trades, and this one hit 1 hour yet. So it's fine to also, the last one also hit 1 hour. And I should have went out of the last one at 1 hour. So it's not a bad idea to lock in gains. It's never a bad idea to lock in gains, actually. But we will see. I mean, yeah, I will see. We will see what's gonna happen, chat. Yeah, this war will make it really interesting for sure. Okay, fill the coffee now after the gym. Yeah, that's it. I don't drink it. Or not as much as you. Stop spamming. Now you've been warned. now you got warned by the Nightbot, Norvin. Did he ban you? No. Be careful if you do. I need to. Why is this thing still active? I removed the rank before. Why is the Nightbot still? What? I swear I removed this guy's rank 2 times already. How can he still time out people? How do I ban this Nightbot? I cannot even ban him. And that is strange. I need to check this out, but I'm 100% positive I removed this. So what is going on? Come on, chat. We had enough sellers today. I mean, EOS is down. Chat, EOS is down today. 2.25%, which is crazy for EOS. And I mean, listen, if we hit full take profit, we are still in a downtrend. This is the crazy thing. So this, like, holding this makes sense for me. So even if we go up here and see a pullback, we're gonna be out here. So I'm gonna go out here at the value area high. Just hope we can reclaim this range. I want to see us get back into this range and then go to the highs, and here I'm going to close it. And if we see a dump afterwards, I don't care. I'm going to be fully out of it. But right now we're still at the lows. This is not so good. We need this reclaimed here. The sellers are so strong today. It's insane. Let's hope for a squeeze, yeah. I'm not going break even, no, I'm not going break even on this one. I mean, we can go to the entry again, I think. I actually rarely go break even. Unless we go really into my direction. I want to just go off the computer and then I put stop loss to break even. What is this, chat? What are we doing here? I mean, what is the market doing here? It's really playing with our feelings as well. Kind of crazy. It's almost 5 PM and it's just not moving up, but I still think we can go to the VWAP again. I really think so. Need this level reclaimed, come on. 6736. You took up your stop loss. No, it's still the same. It's still the same. Didn't move my stop loss at all. But you can do that, chat, if you want. You can actually put the stop loss to entry if you want. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. I don't mind losing this trade, and I think we can go a little bit up until 10 PM. It looks like those red days, Sally, maybe. Maybe. I mean, it will be a red day anyways today. Even if we close the trade at full take profit, it will still be in a red day. But the buyers are drying out here. Or are they? Are they actually drying out, chat, or did I just jinx them? Because we are pumping a bit again here. What were these sells again here? I mean, what is this? There were 1k sells here again at 6737, 1k market sells. I mean, this is insane. This is strange, chat. The sellers really don't want to give up here. Are we really gonna range now at the lows? We are at a below above this very low at least here. 6,730 needs to hold really. This is what I want to see hold here, chat. But this was our entry, so we have a really smooth entry still. Which also allows us to chill in this trade actually. This is why entries are so important, by the way. Like imagine we would have longed here again at 6,750. It would have been the dumbest mistake, then we would have got stopped out here. But now we can actually afford to hold this and we are pumping a bit, but I'm not gonna jinx it, chat. I'm not gonna jinx it at all. Let's just look at this here. This is actually all we need to see here. I want to go below this here and I want to stay above 6,730. And I would love to go up here, chat. 6,790. This is where we're gonna go out here. And this is a reasonable setup to go up here and still we can still go down again further after this. Nice, some green bubbles. But this is what I want to see, and this is going to be the first resistance, 6,768, by the way. Where we have to also check if we might actually just close it there. 6,768, how much would we make? 6,768, that would be at a little bit above 2 RR, which is also not bad. So this is the safe exit, chat, if you want to go out safely. 6,768. Nice pump before 1 hour close. I mean, this is testing our emotions, chat. This trade is testing our emotions. Like to see it though, but we need to really break this. Come on. Let's make a new high here finally. 747 looks like a brick wall if the trade makes it through its open range to VWAP. I mean, I'm gonna say how it is, chat. We can see a big quick pump here, but we can also go lower. It's like, yeah, it's this week, as I said, this week is gonna be fully news-based trading as well. But I'm not looking at the news. I'm just looking at my levels and trade them. But we're gonna have a lot of volatility probably in the next few weeks. I think we're gonna have a lot of volatility, quick moves. But it's looking better so far. But as I said, guys, I'm still not happy here. Still not happy. Once I close the trade, I will be more happy. But right now, anything can happen. Come on, let's break this low here, chat. Let's pump it up for us a little bit. This is what I like to see here. But no, the sellers need to ruin it again. There were again 200 contracts sold. This is insane. Who sells 200 contracts after a 2.2% correction? They don't want us to win, chat. The sellers don't want us to win. They are not giving up, I think. We need to really pump here to squeeze them all out. 105 sellers sells again. 105 market contract sell. What the hell? I mean, really, the sellers are not giving up today. Again, 90 market contracts sold, 19. But a lot of small buyers, that's good. We're at the point of control from the downwards move, really. Well, I'm gonna hold, chat. I'm gonna hold. To at least 6,768, I wanna hold this. But as I said, you guys can do what you want. You can close it in profits and be happy with it. I really don't mind what you guys do. I'm just trying not to get affected by the chat, you know what I mean? Just trade my levels. It's sometimes really hard not to get affected as well. Again, sellers, they're selling again here, obviously. They don't give up. Still at 1 hour, by the way. It's so slow. It's absolutely insane how slow it is right now. Come on, can we just see a little bit more action here to the upside, please? Can we actually break this low? I mean this high, sorry, this last high here. I would like to see broken here. But we cannot do it right now. Still waiting for an entry. I mean, right now I wouldn't go into long, for sure not. You can only hold this if you got the same entry as me. If you go into long now, that's really risky actually. I want to see a CVD print here. Come on chat, can you get a bullish CVD print? So I'll be even more happy if you see that. Oh, nice pump though. Don't want to jinx it, chat. I don't want to jinx it again. But I like to see it. We need to break this here, come on. Let me pull a dynamic profile here quickly. There we go. Where is it? Text tool. Wait, out there it is. Ooh, nice pump, chat. Nice, nice, nice. I didn't even see it yet. So let me pull the dynamic profile. Want to see. Yeah, come on, we can go to these highs, I think, or to the VWAP again, chat. We are pumping, chat. Let's go. We are pumping a bit. But we are still, well, we're about to make a new high here. There we go, chat. Ooh, this is what I like to see, chat. This is what I like to see, chat. Let's go. Come on, give us more green bubbles. How much are we up? We are almost at 2R, chat. We are almost at 2R. This is going to be the first resistance, 6768 by the way. So we might close it here. Come on. A little bit more. I'm actually considering going out here, chat, because I'm kind of scared of the CVD here. But even though I should probably hold it up to here. Here I'm 100% going to close it, by the way. This is 3RR here. So I'm going to go out at 3RR for sure. This is an insane trade. We are going higher though, it looks better now. Guys, who made profits on this trade? Who made profits, chat? Let me know. This was a beautiful live trade. I mean, look at this. I'm gonna show it to all the new viewers again. We longed the exact low. We longed here, 6720. You can go back in the stream. I will also do a recap of this trade for sure on my YouTube channel. I think it's a runner maybe actually. I think we can see a slow pump now until 10 PM. But I'm gonna go out here for sure, chat. I'm gonna go out here, but you could even hold this longer. This could be a pretty nice trade, by the way. So if you want to be greedy, you can actually hold this until 10 PM. Gen Oidas, we are making money, chat. 402 are up, we are 4K up, chat. I think I'm gonna go out soon, by the way. Should we hold it, chat? Or should we make lock-in gains? Let me see. No, I think we should lock in gains, chat. What do you think? 4K is nice. I'm gonna lock in some gains, come on. I don't care about... Oh, wait, we are pumping. Guys, what do you think? Lock in 2R? Yeah, I'm gonna lock in here. I'm gonna lock in chat just to be safe. I don't want to be greedy, man. This was a scary trade. This was a scary... Why can't I close? Wait, let me close. It doesn't let me close. Chat, oh there, this was so lagged out. I pressed the button and it took like 10 seconds to close. What was this? Nice trade though, chat. 4K in the bag. And I'm gonna show you for all the people that don't believe we had this insane entry. I'm gonna show it to you now. Quick recap. I'm out, but you can hold this, chat. I think we can go up here. But I just honestly, this trade was today was really a rough trading day. I want to lock in the gains and be done with today, and lock in the 4K. Like really, today was a stressful trading day. My God, but it is a fun day. Let me show you quickly again the recap, guys. I gave this level like 1 week ago even. This level I looked for a long time, and look at this, chat. We hit it to the dollar, 6,720, and I'm gonna show you that I actually traded this, because a lot of people are gonna be like, yeah, you didn't trade this maybe. But you can see here, we entered, let me go in 1 minute. We actually entered here. So this was an absolute sniper entry. Wait, can you see this? Yes, you can. Like this you can, I think. Yeah, there we go. So this was our entry, 6,720. We sniped the low, and now I'm gonna show you my trade. This was my entry. I'm gonna recreate it quickly for all the people that didn't watch this live. This is my entry. Stop loss was actually below here, chat. So we had a long way to go here. So we were not even in drawdown, really. We were a little bit in drawdown here, as you can see. Stop loss was before the 4-hour low. So imagine someone of you actually took this with a stop loss here, for example. It would be a 5-hour trade. I'm probably sure a lot of people took it with a not so far stop loss like me. But imagine you would have actually took the stop loss here below at 6,730, for example. It would be a 5-hour trade. But this was my trade here. This is how I took it. I'm gonna show it to you. So we hit 2R. We're actually even higher up. We are at 2.3R here. I think we can go up to here. So this is my initial setup here to actually go up here. So I think we can see this happen. Yeah. But I want to lock in gains. It was a really stressful day. And there we go, chat. What a sniperino, though. What a sniperino. And this was one of the confluence. I'm gonna show you the next confluence we had here. And this was the weekly level, hit to the dollar, and we also had this order flow level. Where is it? There we go, which was hit to the dollar at 6,720. Beautiful trade, chat. Beautiful trade, and we were really patient for that one. It was worth it though. So the question is, can we reclaim the daily VWAP here, or are we gonna dump again? This is the reason why I closed it, because I just want to lock in gains here. I'm happy with the 4K we made of this trade. You guys also made a good amount, I think. So who is still in the trade, chat? Who is still in the trade? But I really think we can go much higher probably from this low. It was such a technical low. I think we can maybe even reclaim the daily VWAP here. But yeah, I'm happy with the gains, chat. Today was not an easy day to trade. I think a lot of people got wrecked today. I'm gonna be fully honest. Today was a really, or even for me it was difficult today, but we ended it in profit, so I'm fully happy. And just holding this for 1 hour more, I mean, I don't care really. I just want to lock in the gains here, but I think we can go much higher. What a beautiful day though, chat. What a beautiful day. So, I'm gonna go to the gym, chat. I'm done trading. I'm actually done trading now. This was an insane stream. I'm in for much higher. Yeah, you can hold it, chat. Our entry is insane. So this is our entry at 6,720. This is where we entered, where I told you I'm gonna enter. So you are safe to hold this, and now you can place the stop loss to entry. I don't think we're gonna go to the entry anymore. So if you want to chill and leave it open, you can actually, what you can do is place the stop loss to entry and just leave it running until 10 p.m. And if you're lucky, because I often see this after 5 p.m, there can be big pumps until the market close at 10 p.m. So if you want to do that, I just don't want to do it because I already made 4K on that trade. But if you only trade on one account or whatever, I would probably do that. I would probably just hold it. But my risk management is probably a little bit tighter than yours, because I'm trading on 10 accounts. There I always go out of trades faster and stuff like this. But it's a good runner to leave. We are at the VWAP though. I mean, we should reclaim this for the bulls. We should reclaim this. Have a good day, chat. How many viewers did we have, by the way? I didn't even check. 10 viewers, 19 minutes average view duration. Not bad. We also made some new followers. It was a really cool stream though, chat. It was an absolute banger stream. And by the way, chat, please send me your profits under wins. Send your profits under P&L in the Discord if you actually took the trade. And yeah, please send the profits. I'm gonna post mine later. But I want to hit the gym now. Man, this has been an insane day. Alright chat, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna try to trade again tomorrow at New York Open, or 1 hour before New York Open, we will see.